Hello and welcome to the Contextor videos series. This movie presents a first example of automation, simply created in a few minutes. As a simple example, we start with sample CRM application. We set a contract ID, click on search button, and get the name, first name and contract ID values. Then we launch or activate eligibility application. We set the name, first name and contract ID captured from the previous application. After clicking on search button, we get in return serial number, equipment type and offer type. Back again to CRM application to set the three fields captured from eligibility application. The workflow designer allows to create a visual sequence of actions and automatically generates the associated JavaScript code. At first, the two applications involved in that process must have been captured before in the Explorer perspective. Click right on the left zone, and select the new workflow menu to create the workflow object. Rename the default workflow name, add a comment and validate. Select Activities tab in the Activities zone. In the Application section, drag the Start activity to the workflow connected to the Start icon. Select Parameters tab, and the application name in the Activity section. If CRM application is not launched yet, Contextor will start it. Next step is to work with main page of CRM application. Drag and drop it in the middle, connected to the previous thumbnail. Then double-click to see page details. Activities tab has changed on the right. Adapted to objects in the working page. Drag and drop a set activity in the contract ID field. And input a value, for example 5, in the Parameters tab in the Activity section corresponding to this item. Drag and drop a click activity in the search field. After that sequence, drag and drop now a get activity. For the three fields contract ID, name and first name. All the activities are created for that page. A context has been created, containing data to be reused in the process. Back to the main view. Time to launch the second application. Same way. Next step is to search for contract ID in the eligibility application. Drag and drop the corresponding page and double-click for the detail. The goal is to retrieve the saved data, in the Parameters zone, and drag and drop it to the corresponding fields. Drag and drop a click activity. And then drag and drop 3 get activities to fill the context with data. All the activities are created for that page. Data has been added in the context to be reused shortly. Back to the main view for the last step. A new occurrence of CRM main page is added to the workflow. In the detail view, the 3 saved data coming from eligibility application are dragged and dropped in the corresponding fields. Process is completed. Press the Save button before building and running the project. The build step is important to check that there's no conception error. No error in that project. The editor perspective is activated. The JavaScript code has been generated. Scenario, steps and actions are clearly presented. Time to run the project. With Debug Mode. Once launched, already finished. New launch, slowing the process. Thanks for watching this video. You can see some more in the Contextor training channel.